Okay, children, we have completed a rewind exercise. So, in the rewind exercise, we discussed about 3-digit numbers. It's up to hundreds only, hundreds digit, ones, tens, hundreds. So, that 3-digit numbers are completed. 3-digit numbers are from 100 to 999. Okay. The largest 3-digit number is what? 999. It is the largest 3-digit number, and 100 it is the smallest 3-digit number. So 999. Take the largest 3-digit number and add 1 to it. Do the addition here. Okay. 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 how much? 10. So 10 means write 0 and 1 carry. Next, 1 plus 9, again 10 and 1 carry. 9 plus 1, this is the last, so write 10 here. Now how many digits you are getting? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-digit number, it is called 4-digit number. So what is this digit called? Means it is ones place, tens, hundreds, and this one is called thousands place. So this number is 1000. Okay, 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000. These are thousands numbers. These all consist of how many digits? 4 digits. And what is the largest 4-digit number? We know largest numbers consist only nines. Okay, 9 ones, 9 tens, 9 hundreds, 9,000. So 9,999. It is the largest 4-digit number. What is the smallest 4-digit number? 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. What is the largest 4-digit number? 9,999. This is the largest 4-digit number. Okay, these are which places? Thousands places. So our exercise, which exercise? 1.1 exercise completely on thousands numbers only. How can we read them and how can we write the number names? For example, one number is there, 4318. So how can you read this number first? How can you read this number means, first one, it is ones place and it is tens place, and it is hundreds place and this is thousands place. So which is in thousands place? 4 is in thousands place. So what we can write? 4000. 4 is in thousands place. So write 4000. Next, 3 is in hundreds place. So what we can write? 300. 300. Next, these two should be read together. What is this number? 18 means 18. So 318. Okay, 4318. In this way, we can write the number names and we can read them. Now you have to open the textbooks, page number 8. In page number 8, we have what? Exercise 1.1, first bit. What is the first bit in exercise 1.1? Write the number names. Write the number names. First one in this, A, 8191, B, 2702, next C, 6334, next D, 4456. Okay, up to these 4 I will say, and remaining you have to write by yourself in the textbook itself. So first to write the number names, you read these numbers. You read these numbers. How can you read? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. What is in thousands place? 8. So it is 8,000. How many hundreds are there? 1. So 100. And remaining these two read together. 91. 8,191. So write its number name. 8. 8 means E-I-G-H-T. 8 is in which place? Thousands place. So 8,000. 8,000. After thousands, next hundreds place. What is in hundreds place? 1. So 100. Remaining two together you have to say what is this number? 91. So 91. Okay, it is the number name for this. Next second number 2702. How can we read it? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So 2 is in thousands place. So 2000. 7 is in hundreds place. 700. And these two you have to read together. 2. 2702. That is the number given. So write that. 2000. 2000. How many hundreds? 700. So 700. 2700. What is the last number? 2. Okay. What is this number? 4 ones place, 3 in tens place, 3 in hundreds place, 6 in thousands place. So 6 in thousand place. That's why what we should write? 6,000. 6,000. 3 is in hundreds place. So 300. Next, what I said? These two write together. What is this number? 34. So 34. Okay, similarly next one. 4, 4, 5, 6. So 6 ones place, 5 in tens place, 4 in hundreds place, 4 in thousands place. So first one thousands place you should write. What is in thousands place? 4. So 4,000. Next, hundreds place also there is 4. So what we should write? 400. Next one, these two numbers together say what is that? 56. 56. Okay, it is the first bit. What you have to write? Write the number names. To write the number names, first you have to identify the thousands place, hundreds place, and remaining two digits you have to write together directly. Here I wrote directly 91, not 9, tens, ones. Just 91 you have to write. Okay. So this is the first bit of exercise 1.1. And next, second bit is there. Write the numerals for the following number names. So reverse for this. Number names are given. You have to write the numerals. So how you can write the numerals for the given name? Write the numerals for given number names. This is the second bit in exercise 1.1. So write the numerals for the following number names. What is first one? A. 4,000. 4,806. 806. So write the numeral for this. You have to write number for this. How can you write the number? Write that number in the given box. So there is a box here. Write this number in the box. 4 is in thousands place. 4,000. So 4 is in thousands place. 800. 8 is in which place? Hundreds place. And 6. 6 means only ones place is given. Tens place there is nothing. If no tens place, then write 0 there. 0 at that place. So 6. First write 6 at the last place, ones place. And tens are not there. So write tens means 0. Next what? Hundreds. How many hundreds are there? 8 hundreds. So ones, tens in hundreds. Hundreds what we have to write? 8. And next thousands. How many thousands are there? 4. So in thousands place you have to write 4. What is this number? 4806. Okay. First observe what is the number in the given digit. Ones digit and ones place, tens place, thousands place, and the next hundreds place. Sorry. Then after that write the numbers in the box. So once observe the second. What is the second one? 3000. 3000. 100. 3144. 44. Write the number for that. 3000. So in thousands place which number you have to write? 3. Next 100. Hundreds place you have to write 1. And 40. 40 means 4 is in tens place. 4 is in ones place. First write this number together. 44. 44 means how can you write? 44. Ones place, tens place, both are completed. Now hundreds place. What is in hundred place? 100. 1 is in hundreds place. So in hundreds place you have to write 1. Next, what is in thousands place? Thousands. How many thousands are there? 3000. So 3 is in thousands place. Write 3 here. It is what? 3144. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Which is in thousands place? 3. So 3000. Which is in hundreds place? 1. 100. Last two digits are what? 44. Okay, 3144. Similarly, next one. 6919. 6919. Okay. What is in thousands place? 6 is in thousands place. 6000. Next in hundreds. 9 hundreds. 9 is in hundreds place. Last two digits are what? 19. 19 means how can you write? 19. This is 19. Ones digit, tens digit completed. So write which one? Hundreds digit. What is the hundreds one? 900. So 9 is in hundreds place. And remaining 1000, which is in thousands place? 6. So 6 is in thousands place you have to write. Okay, now this is the second bit for you. What is that? Write the numerals for given number names. Number names are given like that, and you have to write which one? Number for that. Okay. Next, third bit. What is the third bit? Write the numerals for the following numbers on the abacus. Okay, abacus chart is given. I think you know abacus. Okay, there is a rectangle shaped one. Okay, in that the circles will be there. The circles indicates numbers. So how can you identify the numbers by using abacus? How can you identify the numbers by using abacus? Means just observe. Example, I will say one number. How many digits? 4 digit number. So take 4 lines. An example. Okay. he gave this abacus chart and asked us to write the number here. Write the number which is indicated by this. So how can you write it? Just start counting the round circles and write the number below them. How many circles are there at the end? Only 2. So 2 you have to write. This 2 indicates which digit? Ones digit. Okay, ones digit, and this is tens digits, and this is hundreds, and this is thousands. So how many ones are there? 2 ones. That's why 2. Next count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write 5. Next 1. Next 1, 2, 3. So what is the number you got? 3, 1, 5, 2. Okay. Now read it. How can you read it? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. In thousands place 3 is there. So 3000. 1 is in hundreds place. So 100. And what is this? 52. 3152. Okay. Like this you have to write it. So another chart. Okay. This number is ones number, it is tens digit, and it is hundreds digit, and it is thousands digit. Now count the circles and write it directly. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 means it is 6. Next 1, 2, 3 circles are there. So 3. And there is no circle in this. Now no circle means what you will write? 0. If there is no circles, then you have to write 0. And last one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the number you got? 5, 0, 3, 6. 5 is in thousands place. 0 is in hundreds place. 3 is in tens place. 6 is in ones place. How can you read this? 5000. Nothing is there in hundreds. So hundreds will not be there. And how much it is? 36. 5036. It is the number. Okay. Now do the third bit problems from exercise 1.1. Third bit. Write the numerals for the following numbers shown on the abacus. Example, first one is given like this. Third bit, first one it is. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, 1, 2 are there. Next in this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And no number, no circle is there. What is the number? First, count the circles and write. There is no circle in this, so write 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, so write 7. 1, 2. So only 2 you have to write. Next only 1. So what is the number you got? 1, 2, 7, 0. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. How much it is? 1200. It is 70. 1270. That is the number here. Okay, children. In this way, complete the third bit. So first, second, third bits you have to complete. We will discuss remaining afterwards.